What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Hey, I wanted to give you guys a quick back office overview of the 60-day income challenge here. So I want to kind of show you guys exactly what it is, what it is that you're going to be getting with this system, and that you can set up the free account here. So pretty much you can set up the funnel, set it all up, and we walk you through everything as far as setting this up here. So pretty much here for everyone that's a little computer illiterate, we will set the funnel up for you here, but you got to do what you got to do here on that end. But they pretty much walk you through everything where you can do it directly on your own here. So for everyone that don't know, Builderall pretty much is a marketing system that actually offers tools and different things that you can utilize for your marketing business. So that would be considered as apps. You can build sales funnels. This exact same page is actually built with this particular system. Sales pages, if you have an online store, social proof. There's a lot of things that you can actually do. If you guys are familiar with ManyChat, you also have a chat where you can do that in the back office. I mean, there's so much with this system that you're actually going to get, and you can definitely check it out here once you set up your system with the 60-day income challenge. Okay, so pretty much it's going to be, where we walk you through the setup. We do give you training as well in the back office as ways that you can promote this business. And the training that we give you here as far as the free traffic actually is going to be three traffic sources that we touch on, which is Facebook, YouTube, and Quora traffic. And here's each pretty much section here. We're going to give you a video breaking down each lesson when it comes to training and traffic. Okay, so we're going to take care of you on that. So you're going to get the YouTube portion of it. You're also going to get the Facebook side of the training. So YouTube ranking, creating a video structure to follow, YouTube thumbnails for videos, YouTube uploading, SEO, core overview, core getting traffic. So for you guys who don't actually know what core is, pretty much what core is, people are asking a lot of information, or they're trying to ask questions for something, and you can answer them and kind of give them information. So let's just say someone's asking, how do I make money as a teenager, and then you can give them information and say, hey, we got this, give them your link, blah blah blah, and they really show you guys how to do that with Quora. So that's cool with that. Now, one thing that we like to get into as well when it comes to more paid traffic. So paid traffic is more scalable, it's direct, it's faster, and this is for people that have more money than time. So if you have more time than money, then the free strategies are going to always work best for you. But if you don't have time, then you got to have money. So that's where paid traffic comes in at. And one of the sources that they do use when it comes to paid traffic is Udemy. So Udemy is a very good solo ad source where there's a lot of people online where you can go and pretty much buy traffic from, where these people have built their lists from marketers or people that's looking to make money online, or people that are already targeted in this particular industry, where they can pretty much put together ads and submit it to their email, and then people opt in to your business and check your business out, and now you have the follow up and all the tools and things that you need to build that relationship with them here. So this is ways that we talk about solo ads, where you can find them, how to write your own solo ads, how to profit from them, and that's what we show you how to do here. Now the another source here that we do here is mobile traffic, which the mobile traffic allows you to send out 200 texts per phone number. So if you got 3 phone numbers here, then you can send out 200 texts per phone number, and that allows you to get your message out to others. And this also, you're able to earn a residual income with this. Okay, and this is the traffic source that we're using here, is SMS phone leads. So SMS phone leads, not only are you able to do voicemail, to do email blasts as well, they allow you to pretty much do voicemail drop, auto text replies. You pretty much, man, can do everything. Especially one thing that I like about this one is that you can have a pre-recorded message, and when someone calls your number and as they're listening to your message, you can have that message sent out to their phone via text, where for them to click on your link or so. But I'm actually using the ebook, the text blaster on my side. That way I'm getting my information out there. You're able to earn a residual income with this as well. So not only with Udemy, when someone buys traffic, you're able to earn a residual, I mean not a residual, an income with that, but you're also going to earn a residual income with this system as well, because they're going to give you 100% commission up on the first 2 parts of the product, and a 50% commission on the blaster there. So you're able to earn $46.50 per customer, as well as residual income. So this is our our last stream right here, which is gonna definitely allow you to get a lot of leads in your business right away. So you never have to chase family and friends ever when you're doing business. So this is actually teaching you the ins and outs of making money online for you to really go out and do this. Okay, so guys, I wanted to kind of give you guys a back view, an overview of everything here as far as this business goes and how everything is pretty much working here. We set it up for you. So definitely, I'm going to leave a link for you to check it out at the bottom. Hopefully you guys found some value from this, me showing you this in the back office, so you can definitely check it out there. So this your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.